So far, 2026 has been the year of devaluation in terms of credit cards. All the major players in the game of credit cards have devalued their card. But today I'll be talking about three cashback credit cards, which is still very good in 2026. So three cards, three different strategies, and you have to decide which card is the best for you. So in this video, I'll be talking about the SBI Cashback Credit Card, the HSBC Life Plus, and the HDFC Bank Tata Neu Infinity. And I'll be comparing the fees, reward rates, caps, exclusions, so that you can decide which credit card is best for you in terms of cashback in 2026. So let's start with the joining and the annual fees. So the SBI Cashback Credit Card comes with a joining fee of 999 plus GST, and the annual fee is also same 999 plus GST. But the annual fee can be waived off if you spend 2 lakh in the preceding year. For the HSBC Life Plus Credit Card, the joining fee is same 999 plus GST, which is same as the annual fee. And same, if you spend 2 lakhs in a year, the next year the annual fee can be waived off. And lastly, the HDFC Tata Neu Infinity card, where the joining fee is 1499 plus GST, which is same as the annual fee. But the fee can be waived off if you spend 3 lakhs in a particular calendar year. So in terms of welcome benefits, SBI Cashback card doesn't offer any welcome bonuses. But the HSBC Life Plus offers you 1000 rupees cashback when you download the HSBC app and a voucher of 750 from Amazon Pay, Zomato or Swiggy on first required spend. And you can get additional 250 rupees Amazon gift voucher if you apply it online. Now the Tata Neu Infinity card gives you 1499 new coins on the first transaction within 30 days of the card activation. Now let us talk about the reward rates. The SBI Cashback Credit Card offers you 5% cashback on online spends and 1% cashback on offline spends. And this cashback will be direct statement credit. Now, the HSBC Life Plus credit card will give you 10% cashback on dining, food delivery and groceries. And for rest of everything, it will give you 1.5% cashback. And the Tata Neu Infinity, it offers up to 10% new coins on the Tata Neu app, 5% on the Tata branch and 1.5% on all non-Tata spends. But there is a catch. The SBI Cashback Credit Card has a monthly cap. 2000 rupees you can maximum earn on online cashback and 2000 rupees on the offline cashback. So overall cashback cap is only 4000 rupees per month. Similarly, the HSBC Life Plus will give you 1000 rupees on the 10% category, which is dining, groceries and food delivery. So for the Tata Neu Infinity credit card, new coins is locked in the Tata ecosystem only. You won't get direct cashback, you will only get new coins. And each new coin is valued at 1 rupee. Now let's talk about the lounge accesses. The SBI Cashback Credit Card doesn't offer any lounges, but the HSBC Life Plus offer you 4 domestic lounge visits per year, which is capped at 1 per quarter with no spend requirement. On the other hand, the Tata Neu Infinity provides you 2 domestic lounge per quarter and 4 international visits per year, but it requires 50,000 quarterly spend. Let us quickly take a look at the exclusions and the restrictions. For SBI Cashback Credit Card, there is no cashback on fuel transaction, rent payment, wallet loads, insurance payments, government payments and EMI transaction. And same goes for the HSBC Life Plus. But there is a catch in the HDFC Tata Neu Infinity Credit Card where you will get your 5% value back on your insurance payments as well, if you pay the insurance via the Tata Neu app using the Tata Neu UPI. Now let's take a look at the best use cases for each of these cards. So you can get the SBI Cashback Credit Card if you are using Amazon and Flipkart shopping, Swiggy Zomato orders, Myntra fashion, flight bookings, online shoppings, and if you are a e-commerce heavy users. For the HSBC Life Plus, if you dine out regularly, you use food delivery apps, you do grocery, big basket orders and also Swiggy Instamart. Best use case for the Tata Neu Infinity credit card will be if you are a Tata ecosystem user. You use Big Basket regularly, you are a frequent Air India flyer, you are a UPI heavy spender and you use other Tata apps like 1mg, Chroma, etc. Now let's do a quick annual value comparison. So if you use the SBI Cashback card and you spend 40,000 online every month, your monthly cashback becomes 2,000 rupees and your annual cashback becomes 24. And if you deduct the annual fee of 1,000 rupees, then your net annual value can become 23,000 rupees. Now for the HSBC Life Plus, if you spend 10,000 rupees monthly for food and grocery, your monthly cashback is 1,000 and annual cashback become 12,000. So your net value can become 11,000. But on top of that, you will get 4 domestic lounge access, which is free of cost. Now for the Tata Neu Infinity card, this is a variable based on the Tata usage and the new coin redemption value. And it depends on the ecosystem. So the net value depends how widely you are using the card. Now let's see which card finally wins. So post devaluation also, SBI Cashback Credit Card still offers a very competitive cashback. It is a simple, no nonsense cashback card. If you do not want to bang your head on how to spend, where to spend, then this is the best card for you. But the HSBC Life Plus credit card is best for families and foodies who heavily rely on online food deliveries and groceries. And for the Tata Neu Infinity card, it is best for the Tata ecosystem users. And it has UPI rewards on the Rupee variant as well. And it also provides lounge access with conditions. And the entire value varies on how you use the card. So the SBI Cashback still delivers solid value if you hit the spending thresholds. HSBC Life Plus is the most balanced option for everyday spenders. And the Tata Neu Infinity, perfect if you are deep into the Tata ecosystem and love UPI cashback. The best credit card really depends on how your spending patterns are. If you found this breakdown helpful, please subscribe the channel because here I break down credit card charges, hidden fees and reward hacks every week. And drop a comment which cashback credit card you are using in 2026. See you in the next one.